Your body doesn't wake up when your eyes open. Your energy, skin glow, and mental focus are not decided by genetics alone. They are shaped within the first hour after you wake up. In this video from Y10, you'll discover 10 breakfast foods your body scientifically relies on every morning, and why they work. Its first true need is not food, not coffee, it's water. The very first signal that kickstarts your energy, metabolism, and skin. After hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated and highly sensitive. Morning water should be room temperature or slightly warm, never cold. Cold water shocks digestion, slows circulation, and delays your body's natural activation before the day even begins. But water doesn't just affect your energy, it directly affects your skin. Proper morning hydration supports blood flow to the skin, helps flush metabolic waste, and improves cellular hydration. This reflects as clearer skin, better elasticity, and a natural glow in the face. But here's something most people don't talk about. Not all water is the same. There is a difference between naturally sourced water and water that has been processed, filtered, or stored in plastic. Your body and your skin respond differently to each. We'll break down the science behind this difference in a separate video. For now, remember this. How you hydrate in the morning sets the foundation for your energy, digestion, and the health and appearance of your skin for the entire day. Hydration sets the stage. Protein builds the performance. Let's see why eggs are a morning powerhouse. Eggs are a morning powerhouse. Packed with complete amino acids, they help your body repair tissues after sleep. But that's not all. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient essential for memory, focus, and healthy brain signaling. Starting your day with eggs supports sustained energy, sharp thinking, and helps you feel full longer, preventing mid-morning crashes. For your skin, muscles, and brain, a proper protein intake in the morning is more important than most supplements. After your body is hydrated and fueled with protein, it's time for slow digesting carbs to sustain your energy throughout the morning. Oats, whole grains, and seeds release glucose gradually, providing steady energy for your brain and muscles. This prevents spikes and crashes that leave you tired or irritable. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting digestion, stabilizing blood sugar, and promoting heart health. Complex carbs also feed your gut microbiome, which plays a huge role in immune function, mood, and even skin health. So including these foods in your morning meal keeps your energy steady, your focus sharp, and your skin glowing naturally, without the need for extra supplements. Complex carbohydrates give your body steady fuel, but fuel alone isn't enough. To use that energy efficiently, your cells need healthy fats. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax, are rich in omega fatty acids, magnesium, and vitamin E. These nutrients support brain signaling, stabilize blood sugar, and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Healthy fats also strengthen cell membranes, which directly improve skin elasticity, glow, and long-term health. A small handful in the morning turns energy into balance and nourishment into beauty. Once your body has energy and balance, the next step is protection. Fresh fruits provide powerful antioxidants that defend your cells from daily damage. Berries, citrus fruits, apples, and kiwi are rich in vitamin C, polyphenols, and flavonoids. These compounds neutralize free radicals, support collagen production, and slow down cellular aging. That's why fruits don't just boost immunity, they improve skin brightness, texture, and clarity from within. Natural sweetness in the morning gives your body what it needs, without spikes, crashes, or refined sugar. Energy, nutrients, and vitamins mean nothing if your body can't absorb them. That's why gut health is the foundation of real health. Yogurt and fermented foods contain probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support digestion and strengthen the intestinal lining. These bacteria help your body absorb minerals, produce certain B vitamins, and regulate the immune system. A healthy gut reduces inflammation, improves skin conditions, and even supports mood and mental clarity. When your digestive system is balanced, your entire body works smarter, not harder. Once digestion is balanced, your body is ready to detox and recharge. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in chlorophyll, magnesium, and vitamin K. Chlorophyll supports oxygen delivery to cells, while magnesium activates hundreds of enzymatic reactions that control energy and muscle function. These greens also support natural detox pathways in the liver and digestive system. The result is clearer skin, better circulation, and a lighter, more energized feeling throughout the day. After detox and oxygenation, your body focuses on cellular repair. Avocados are rich in omega-9 fatty acids, especially oleic acid, a key component of healthy cell membranes. Omega-9 supports hormonal balance, reduces inflammation, and improves communication between brain cells. Avocados also provide potassium, vitamin B5, and fat-soluble vitamins that enhance nutrient absorption. That's why this healthy fat doesn't just fuel the body, it supports focus, mood, and long-term cellular health. Sometimes the body needs a gentle spark of energy. Raw natural honey provides glucose and fructose in a balanced form that the brain can use immediately. Unlike refined sugar, raw honey contains enzymes, trace minerals, and natural antioxidants. This supports brain activity, reduces oxidative stress, and helps stabilize morning energy levels. Just a small amount is enough to energize the mind without crashes or inflammation. Now, the most controversial morning habit. Coffee. Yes, coffee can be healthy in the morning. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system, enhances focus, and increases dopamine and alertness. But timing and quality matter. Coffee should be consumed after hydration and food, not on an empty stomach. And it should be plain. No sugar, no artificial creamers, no syrups. Because coffee doesn't give energy, it borrows it from your nervous system. When used wisely, coffee sharpens the mind. When abused, it drains the body. Your energy, skin, and health don't start with supplements or skincare products. They start with what you eat every morning. And there's more to discover. We'll explore the differences between types of water, eggs, and other healthy foods, and even processed foods, and how they truly impact your health and immunity in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Y10. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest discoveries. Thank you for watching, and stay curious, because the world is full of surprises.